Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you? Welcome to our this series of videos in which we are discussing YT channel, YouTube channel performance reporting system, uh, and in which we download the information, save them. We download from the YouTube dashboard analytics, and we save them following naming convention, and then we automate the things so that we quickly get our customized reports, and that helps us monitor our channels, and we can decide on the basis of our monitoring of how to go, what is the way forward for our next videos. Okay, so in our previous video we discussed about the technicalities of the dates, uh, since we, we are working in a system in which the users from different parts of the globe are connected, and the dates are very significant while talking about placing them into the database. And like if you see on the report which we showed you last time in our previous video, that your dates play a vital role. Means the system offers you the dates and in different formats. Also in this format we have the year first, and then month, and then the year. And as soon as you make any changes in it, it asks for you the ending date. So if you have given the ending date, which so it calculates how many columns are going to be involved. So if there are whole month, for example, so 30 columns will be in it, and each day activity with respect to your videos will be shown in terms of views, right? And that will allow you to figure out that which video is performing in a best manner, right? And which video is doing good, and which videos are less popular, right? So this will, for sure, you can see that uh, it will it will catch your eyes. This is a wonderful thing. Okay, so one important thing is that since we are connected to the globe, and there are different timings. There are different timings in the world. If I upload this video on 30th of 30th of January, right? And in some parts of the world, the date is already 31st, or and also in some other parts of the world, well, at the time of uploading of this video, uh, it is 29. So if you see this, I'm for an example, I'm showing you, this is the video, right, which we actually downloaded as per our local date and time. That was 30th of January, right? But we have when we download the data, we get the views that on 29th, the video which we uploaded on the 30th, it was viewed on 29th. Mm. So that's a wonderful, interesting thing uh, that occurs since we have different timings, different time zones, and sometimes the date difference appears. So the date of publication of when this video was published was 30th, but it was viewed on 29. So this occurs. So we should keep a margin of 1 day in all the videos that occur. Okay, so otherwise it will cause a difference. If you say that, okay, I have published it on 30th, so I take my analysis right from 30th to onwards, so 4 or 5 days. So you would be missing this one because uh, there were views, so that there will be a gap of three views in this example, as I have shown you, right? So you can also check it by applying a filter in here, and if you type, if you select here and say automate, we go to the automate the video which we uploaded on 30th. So let's see what the system says that about its views, right? So automate PDF to Excel. This is so these are the 4 days, although we have published it on 30th. So it is appearing on 28 as well with the zero views. That's fine. Okay. So I'm sorry. Yeah, there are no views on 28. Of course, there shouldn't be. But on 29, there are the three views. And on 30th, this was the day when it was published. And so you have to keep a margin of 1 day at least to to get a precise analysis of your report, right? So let's take a recap of how is the process. How do we take? What are the steps to take them, right? So let's go to the channel, and we first of all we check that how um, which day we are supposed to download, right? If we say we have downloaded until 1st of February, so let's take, it's a good time to take the 2nd of February, right? So 2nd of February, 2nd of February. So you have to go to the custom and make it 2nd of February. This is 1st of February. Yeah, and we have to take the 2nd of February. Yeah. Okay. So this is 2nd of February. Okay. So 2nd of February, 267, 2nd of February, and we apply it. So this will show you all the videos which were viewed on 2nd of February. And you can see there were 5 views on for this video, which we are focusing, right? And impressions for that match and this and that. Okay, so this is 2nd of February record. So what we do, we download it, and it will be open in a new tab, and then we will download it to our download folder by using this option, right? The download option. Yeah. Yeah. And once these are downloaded, then we rename it to 2nd of February. And we follow the naming convention 2025 and then 02 and then 02, 2nd February. Okay. So we take this file and drop it where? In the monthly folder. Okay. We, we will drop we will drop this file in our monthly folder. Yeah. Control V. So the download is now available for you here, and the system can now uh, uh, get all this data into our analysis, and it will perform the tasks. Okay, so what we do in order to bring the 2nd of February here, you have to start from here so that it loads all the files and prepare for you the analysis. Okay. So you can see that the files are uploaded into the system. Means the downloaded files which you downloaded from the YouTube are the data has been incorporated in our video table tab. And if you go to the last of this, you will see the 2nd of February is incorporated in here, and all the videos statistics are available. Right, and this is the total. The 33 views were sorry, 59 views were done, and so we have 33 days of that. So the total is this number is telling you how many times this video is being watched in the history. So 13 times here, 14 here. This is 30, say 33. When it comes with the total, it means you have total number of days in your history are 33. Okay, okay. So let's go to the review report, and we change the our analysis date. Let's focus from the first, from, for example, 25th. Let's take 25th, and the ending date is the last date. That is 2nd of February, 02. Hmm? February. We cannot go beyond February because the data is not available for the 3rd February, right? So our limit, the maximum date for which we can do the analysis is the 2nd of February for the moment, because the uploading means the data which we downloaded from the YouTube and uploaded into it is on the until 2nd of February. Okay? So that's it. So new columns are being added, and these are the 2nd of February. He has been done, and now it is bringing you all the information here, and it will come up with a it will settle down with all your yeah. Okay, so 65 views were on 103 on the 30th, and on 31st were 103 views. On the yeah, on the next day it was 73 views, and next day it is 59 views. The total of 59 views. The total is verified like this. Okay, so this is how it is done. Now we have to find it out why. Let's check on the 2nd of February. What does the YouTube screen tell us? Yes, 59, right? This 59 is coming there. Okay, and if we see, this is the 2nd of February views, right? So the totals should also be coming here, second here, 59 views, and that's why the 59 is appearing in over here. Okay, so this is the way we update, and we want to stress to be watchful about your dates when your system is intensely using the dates in the calculations and their comparison of dates, and for if you're comparing two dates activity of your video. So you have to be very much means your system should be capable of not to create any confusion due to the regional difference of the dates all around the world, right? So you have to keep your system should and the system which you develop, it should cater and it should highlight. It should not miss the data just due to the data. So keep a margin of 1 or 2 days so that the complete picture of your various activities there. So so we have discussed the technicalities of the date validation and also the data integrity. So it has to be consistent with what you have in your data and what you report uh, in your final report, right? So it has to be consistent and verifiable, right? So these all totals are verifiable in this way that if you take the total of this, right? I'm comparing. So the total is 427, as you can see in here. Okay, so 427 is coming through the formula. So this is verified. Also, downwards, you can select all these things and see if it is 30 or not, right? Yes, this is 30, right? Okay. And also you can figure out that what makes this 103 also. It is the system is highlighting that something unusual is there, that you do not have so many total, but all of a sudden you say, so which video was that which caused the impact of directly to it crossed the 100 mark, right? So you would see that the publication of our video, which was welcomed by the viewers and our audience liked it. So that was yeah, this one. This was 11, okay? And if you go and or you can use the filter as well, right? You can use the filters, you can remove this, and we take the this and this, and okay, we remove blanks, we take this, and so this will show us that which was the video which had the major part of this achievement of 103. So 67 views came for this, and this was the day when it was published, right? So and next day also it was very well, doing very well, and well, 40 views came on the next day, and there can be many facets that what was the day, the weekday, if it is Sunday, it is holidays or something. So that all these things impact. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Thank you.